a Black Knight soundboard and speech board. And the speech board had a bunch of Scanby sockets in it, 4 of them there, so I've replaced those with some quality twin wipe sockets. I have socketed the normally unsocketed 6810, and while I had it out, I tested it. I also tested the 6821. Somebody had previously socketed. I replaced the socket for the 6808 and for the sound ROM also. So it is turned on right now, and we can go through the individual sounds. I've got this little rig I built up for this, and let me ground some pins manually. Then we can also start the on-board test. And it'll just continue doing that until you cycle power. So the client had recapped this. The complaint on this board was that something got hot and the background sound continued without abatement. So I'm going to send this back after having changed out the sockets. And I did let it run for an hour and a half last night, even before I changed out the sockets. And it was just fine. I also changed out all the headers too. At least if it's, maybe he might try the 6810. That's easy to replace now since I put a socket in there. But my guess is that this thing's going to run fine back in the game. Thanks for sending it.